Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss with topic real numbers of class 10th, proving irrational numbers. Prove that 5 minus root 3 is a irrational number. Okay. To prove this situation, we have to assume that the given irrational number is a rational number. Okay. So assume that 5 minus root 3 is a rational number. If at all it was a rational number, we can convert it. So how, if the numbers are in rational number, how it will be? It will be in the form of p by q form, right? So I have mentioned here 5 minus root 3 equal to a by b, fractional form, where a comma b are co-primes, where HCF equal to 1. Okay, the common factor between a and b is 1, that is HCF equal to 1. Okay, making minus root 3 as subject, sending all the terms to RHS, we get a by b minus 5. Okay, sending minus to RHS, we get root 3 equal to minus of a by b of minus 5. Okay, so therefore root 3 equal to minus of a by b plus 5. We know that root 3 is a irrational number and a by b is a fraction that is a rational number, right? Therefore, this cannot be equal, guys. So irrational number cannot be equal to rational number, right? Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Therefore, 5 plus root 3 cannot be a rational number. It should be a irrational number, guys. Okay. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.